What's up guys? So in this video we're gonna be kind of exploring how to reset your password on a Mac if you forgot it, which is a very common problem that I face every day. Is sometimes I forget my passwords. So let's try to get into this video, and I did some research online, and I'm gonna try this together for the first time with you guys. So let's see if this actually works. So the first step is the Command and R key while pressing the power button, and let your Mac boot until you see the Apple logo. Once you see the Apple logo, you will then see and this is the recovery mode as it appears. So at the very top, you go ahead and click on the terminal and let the terminal open. Then you're gonna type a command in here. Just a moment. So what you're gonna type next in this terminal window is reset password. I think it should be all together, just like that. And then go ahead and press enter. All right. Let it configure. All right. And then after that, you should be able to just close this, and then it's gonna ask you like which account you want to recover, or recover the password, or reset the password for. All right. So next, just go ahead and click on the account that you forgot and click next. Now, if you don't know the password, just click cancel and then go back and put forgot all. And here, you're gonna be able to set a password for any of the accounts that you might have forgot on this Mac. So try this, and then you create a new password. Hint is optional, so you can set the new password. And then go ahead and restart and try to log in with the new password. Yep. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. There will be some more videos related to computer repair, which is kind of a hobby of mine. Thank you.